If you're wondering how to manage partner relationships with PartnerStack, you're in the right place. Whether you're new to the software or just looking for a quick refresher, I'm going to walk you through how PartnerStack helps you streamline, automate, and grow your partnerships, all while saving you time and resources. First things first, PartnerStack is an affiliate and partner management platform that allows businesses to easily manage and scale their partner programs. You can track your partner's performance, manage commissions, and collaborate with affiliates, resellers, and other partners, all from one centralized platform. One of the most powerful features of PartnerStack is its partner dashboard. It's designed to give your partners a clear, user-friendly overview of their performance. From here, they can track their sales, commissions, and any actions required for payouts. As a manager, you have full visibility into everything your partners are doing. This transparency helps you build stronger, more trusting relationships, since both you and your partners are aligned in terms of performance and goals. The platform offers customizable workflows for onboarding new partners. You can easily create and automate the onboarding process to ensure that each partner receives the right information at the right time. This eliminates the need for manual processes and ensures a smoother experience for your partners. With PartnerStack, you can also provide partners with resources such as marketing materials, training, and access to a support team. Setting up your partner program on PartnerStack is straightforward. You can define the structure of your program, whether you're working with affiliates or resellers, and set commission rates that are competitive and motivating for your partners. The platform also supports different types of partnerships, so you can tailor it to fit your business model. Plus, PartnerStack has a robust set of integrations, so you can connect it seamlessly to your CRM, payment systems, and other tools. In terms of managing relationships, communication is key. PartnerStack includes built-in messaging tools that allow you to easily communicate with your partners directly within the platform. Whether you're answering questions, giving feedback, or providing updates, all your conversations are organized in one place, making it easy to stay on top of things. The platform also has detailed analytics and reporting tools, giving you insights into how your partners are performing. You can track conversions, sales, and other important metrics, and adjust your strategy accordingly. These insights help you identify your top-performing partners and areas for improvement. Managing partner relationships is all about finding the right balance of support, motivation, and transparency. PartnerStack provides you with all the tools you need to keep that balance. Whether you're trying to onboard new partners, track performance, or optimize your payouts, PartnerStack gives you the flexibility to do it all from one place. If you're still unsure about whether PartnerStack is right for your business, here's a great offer. Click the link below for an exclusive extended free trial. You'll get a chance to explore all the features of PartnerStack and see firsthand how it can transform the way you manage your partner relationships. Remember, managing partner relationships doesn't have to be complex. With PartnerStack, you can automate key processes, gain better insights, and build stronger, more profitable partnerships without the headache. Check out the link below for your exclusive trial and start simplifying your partner management today.